Here we go, number 4 and 5 of practice set A, number 2. Which of the following is the coefficient of x to the fourth in the Maclaurin polynomial generated by cosine of 3x? I want the coefficient of this, but it would be helpful if I knew what the Maclaurin polynomial for cosine of 3x is. Luckily, cosine of 3x looks very, very similar to cosine of x. Here's why I had you memorize all those. It is 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the fourth over 4 factorial. I'm going to stop there because I just need to get to the fourth degree. But this is not the Maclaurin polynomial for cosine of 3x. I got to make a modification. That is cosine of 3x is approximately 1 minus 3x squared over 2 plus 3x to the fourth over 4 factorial. And then I'm going to zoom in on this term because I'm, again, just looking for the x to the fourth part. So that would be 3 to the fourth times x to the fourth over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 3 to the fourth, that's 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. 81 over 24. A little bit stuck there. What if I canceled a 3 here and reduce that to 3? That would be 27 over 8. Much better answer, 27 over 8, which would be the same as that. Ends up being answer choice A. So break this down, just get to what you're looking for, recognize how this connects to something you already know, and you can get there. Let's look at number 5. The set of all values of x for which this series converges. Set of all values sounds like an interval of convergence. Here we go. Let's set up the ratio test. Limit as n goes to infinity of 2x plus 3 to the n plus 1 over square root of n plus 1 times square root of n over 2x plus 3 to the n. Absolute value, this equals limit as n goes to infinity of, these cancel, I'm left with 2x plus 3 over 1 times square root of n over square root of n plus 1. There we go. Take the limit. The limit of this is 1. That equals absolute value of 2x plus 3. To converge, I want that to be less than 1. So I have that. And I get 2x plus 3 is less than 1, which is greater than negative 1. Subtract 3, I get negative 4 less than 2x less than negative 2. Divide both sides by 2, I get negative 2 less than x less than negative 1. Don't forget to check your endpoints. Here we go. Here is the series. Here is the series. If I plug in negative 2, I get negative 4 plus 3. That's negative 1 to the n over square root of n. Then I plug in negative 1. 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2 plus 3 is 1 to the n over square root of n. Then from there, I need to find out what happens at each of these endpoints so I can update this. Alternating, let's check the limit as n goes to infinity, 1 over square root of n. That indeed equals 0, so this side converges because alternating limit 0 converge. Let's check this side. Doesn't look like this will be alternating. P equals 1/2, which is less than 1, so this side diverges. Use this and this, update your endpoints. There, 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 there. Answer choice is, I want this symbol here, eliminate C and A. I want less this one, because it's pick D, eliminate B. There we go, answer choice there. Next thing, 2 FRQs. Make sure you know those, and we will be ready for the test on Thursday. Here we go, see you in the next video.